Here you can see hundreds of different templates for presentations, for social media, videos, print product. You can simply click on any of these right here. There are paid versions for this template as well, or you can use your free version too. We have learned about this in the basics of Canva as well, but for now let's just learn it on our own once more, so that will be easier. uh, let's just select one of them. Here you can see there are thumbnails for YouTube shorts as well, Facebook covers, etc. So let's go to the YouTube channel logo and see how to design a channel logo. Now here you can customize this template. Click on the designs. This is what you see here. You can see the small Canva watermark. If you want to remove the watermark, you will have to get a paid version for that, or you can simply click on it. Now I will be showing you how to mix two designs and create your own logo. So let's say you like this as well, and you want to mix it with some other one, just this. Let's click on this, click template. Now for example, if you want to design this and this together to make it one and to make it unique, let's see how it works. Here's the design. I like the text, so I'll be replacing the text here. Let me bring this. Let me bring this portion. Here you can use the shortcut for copy and paste, or you can click on this, right click, copy, go to your design, paste. Here you can see the entire design has been pasted. Now edit it according to your use. I'll be removing this section. I'll be removing this as well. Let me bring it down, make it a smaller size, select this part, resize this. You can send this backward as well. You can see my designs have gone to the back portion. You can change the size of the front one as well. I will just create a small design, won't be too much.